be the rest of your life or whatever. Your lips and your lips, we could press them together. Oh, I don't ever think twice, and maybe that's why I trip and fall in love. Just like a Tuesday drunk, I always go over the hand over, hitting the ground so hard. If I'm alone, falling, falling, falling. Another round, another drink. I try to stop, but I can think about anything else but you. I'm a little too buzzed for your love, so play it cute, yeah. A single kiss, I lost my mind for 7 days and 7 nights. Can't eat, sleep, baby, it's true. Oh yeah. And say something crazy to you. I wonder what you're doing for tonight and whatever. Oh, I don't ever think twice, and baby, that's why I trip and fall in love. Just like a Tuesday drunk, I always go falling, falling over the handlebars, hitting the ground so hard. If I'm alone, falling, falling. Gotta talk about it. Na 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 na. Perfect. We ain't gotta talk about it. Na 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 na. We ain't gonna talk about it. Okay. Ang next song naman natin. Are you sentimental? Yeah, so that's our next song. Miss Sentimental. Whoa! Perfect! I'm a memory keeper. I remember the rain. I remember that song. Oh, your old broke keychain. Never worried about the worth. Maybe I am just delusional, but for me, yours can be gold. Oh, why would I keep the things that you just throw away? Is there some sanity at all? Can someone help me? Is it all worth keeping for long? For long. Hey, yo! I hate it when I'm getting give me a wild, wild message on my mental. I hate it holding on too deep to every little thing. I'm real sentimental. Give me the sentimental, mental. When I hate it, I just do it again. It's a feeling I try to defend. I hate it how I can't decide if it means the most to me. I'm real sentimental. Come in this sentimental, mental, mental, yeah. Mental, yeah, mental. If I'm not crazy, tell me what do I do? Would you stand to live forever in my shoes? What do I think for everything? Things you barely see. It's fragile, but we're never meant to stay. Wow, wow, wow. Why would I keep the things that you just throw away? Is there some sanity at all? Paano kailang heart na ako, no? Can someone help me? Is it all worth keeping for long? For long. I hate it when I'm getting sentimental. You want one message on my mental. I hate it holding on too deep to every little thing. I'm real sentimental. But I'm sentimental, mental. When I hate it, I just do it again. It's a feeling I try to defend. How I can't decide if it means the most to me. I'm real sentimental, I'm real sentimental, mental, 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 mental. I hate that I'm so sentimental, mental, mental, mental.
At may isa pa akong gusto.
Ano?
Yung pahuway.
Oh.
Pwede mo bang iparinig yung chorus lang nun? Kasi Authentic yun eh.
Right?
Cebuano, di ba?
Nahuna anak ko, kung wala ka wala jud ko, kasakit na ko. Mawagtang kong kuyog ni mo walay sayop, ikaw ang pahuway na ako. Pahuway. Yun po.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Rain Celmar. Ayan. Audience Choice Award. Ang pagbukod ni Most Watched Trailer.